In this video, I'm going to teach you on how you can create a reminder in ClickUp. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, select the project that has the task that you want to put a reminder on. Again, you can put a reminder on certain tasks to help you not forget about it. Now, let's have this for example. I have this task 5 for to do. Now, if you see these three buttons on the rightmost part of the screen that corresponds to this task, click right there. From the drop-down menu, you should see this on the Remind Me in inbox. This is where you can set a reminder. It can be in 20 minutes, in 2 hours, tomorrow, or next week. By default, if you choose another day, it would be on 8 a.m. But you can be more specific. For example, let's remind this task to be finished on April 20 and then set it on Monday, April 20 and 9 a.m. If you view this now in your inbox, you would then be reminded on April 20, 2026. Easy, right? So, if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.